Okay guys, it's that time of the month again where you charge your batteries, and the way things are going on in the world, it'd probably be a good thing. At least you'll have something to fall on if you have no power, you know what I mean? I ended up making this today, about a little under 30 amp, or 30 amp hours, 12 volts. I'm going to set it up with a shunt for display on the side, and use it as a pack for powering whatever if we do lose power for whatever reason. And even if this does blow over with Russia, I'd still like to have something big like this laying around where I can fall on it. But anyway, I've tested this with the TV. It actually works pretty good. Obviously I wouldn't power the TV on it. I'd push power radio and maybe a light, but like something like this, if you have these, you can power your phone off of it. You won't be able to use the phone, obviously, but you can get a light working with those. So I got those both charged up, and this one is balancing, which is totally out of balance. Anyway, if you get a chance, top off your batteries. Take it easy. Be safe.